A federal judge now says parts of the affidavit used to support a search warrant of former President Trump's Florida home will be public this Friday. CBS's Elise Preston reports on the movement in court earlier today.
The Department of Justice has submitted what it wants blacked out on the search warrant affidavit for former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago home. Judge Bruce Reinhart is deliberating about whether to unseal parts of the document. Media organizations, including CBS News, have sued in order to see the affidavit. The government has argued unsealing the document could compromise ongoing investigations. The DOJ has also said its redactions would be so extensive that the remaining portion would be meaningless to the public if it was released. Judge Reinhart recognized that possibility in a court filing this week, saying, "I cannot say at this point that partial redactions will be so extensive that they will result in a meaningless disclosure, but I may ultimately reach that conclusion after hearing further from the government." Former President Trump has said he wants the full affidavit made public, but his attorneys have not made any request to the courts to make that happen. Trump has called the search of his home politically motivated. FBI agents executed the search warrant earlier this month and found 11 sets of classified documents at the Florida estate. In a letter made public this week, the National Archives said it had been trying to retrieve the documents for months.
Now, we just want to reiterate that a federal judge does now say that part of the affidavit will be made public starting on Friday. Now, Attorney General Merrick Garland dismissed the criticism that the search was politically motivated, saying that it was authorized only after a grand jury found probable cause.